Hello guys! Today we're gonna make a recipe with beef mince, completely different from what we normally do. Easy and super tasty! Let's start by adding 1 teaspoon of salt and 500 grams of beef mince. Add as well 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and mix well. Then put the beef aside. Now cut a whole tomato, then dice it. Put it in a big bowl. Using a grater, grate 200 grams of mozzarella cheese. Write me in the comments where you're watching us from, so I can personally thank you for always following our recipe. We'd love to know. Add the grated cheese in the bowl. Cook and peel 2 eggs. Grate them. Add them in the bowl. Now add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of mayo. Mix well. If you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe, then share this video with your friends. It would help us greatly. After mixing, put the bowl aside. Now take a piece of the meat and roll it into a ball. Repeat the process with the rest of the meat. Put the balls in an oil-greased baking pan. This recipe is very easy. Try it at home and write in the comments below what you think. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Using a spoon, add the mixture we prepared on top of the meat, then spread it. Finally, sprinkle some grated mozzarella cheese on top. But if you don't like it, you can skip this step. Put it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. And our recipe is done! Look how incredible it is! Now I'm gonna reply to your comments. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye!